welcome back to my new video. So guys, on our new video, I'm going to show you what's the best way to purchase a gem in Castle Clash. So some of you are purchasing gems in here though. You're just purchasing in here without any extra items. So I'm gonna show you what's worth it to use your money on this game. Some says this is hot, but it's like too many USD dollars. So it's just like it's worth it, but just by buying using only your $10. So as you can see, we are going to Bazaar. So it's right here, Bazaar. So as you can see, just buying here in Bazaar, if you buy one of these, you can have a gem. You can have a gem, but it's not there. But you can have a gem. So as you can see, I bought this already, so I don't need to buy it already. So this is what I bought. There's value pack and value pack 2, and I also bought this free annual daily pack. As you can see, it's really good. It's worth it. Really worth it though. So and you can also buy these. It's really worth it. So I only started playing a few weeks ago, and look at me though. Just by buying those on Bazaar. Look at I'm already duped right now, and I'll show you that why is it worth it and why is it worth it to buy that thing. Okay, so as you can see, I got this healthy guy from that Bazaar, from that value pack 2. So you can have a really nice heroes just by buying those. Okay, you can have a really nice legendaries like this, and I got this in there too. So just by buying those, you can also have in those events. You can click on your events in here. You can also have these. It's really worth it though. You can also buy in here, and also because every single day the event changes, and those in Bazaar changes, but every event changes or in the Bazaar changes, it's really worth it, even it's another hero. So as you can see, we can go to the more events right now. Just by buying those, by not buying on that gem thing, you can have these. Let's see the information. See, 1,400 gems. Just every time you buy 1,400 gems, you can have this transfer prices, and you can have those prizes. You can win some nice prizes in here, like you can win in here. Oh, it's not here. You can win a Storm Eater card. You can win a Dog Keeper. You can win a Demogorgon just by buying those in Bazaar, and that on Crystal Coffer on here in events. So every day it changes, just like I told you earlier. It changes yeah, I don't know how to speak right now. So every one single day the Bazaar changes in here, this limited time, because it has R in here every 24 hours, I think. I don't know. So you can also buy in here on 7-day bonus pack, because every one day you can have these, and this is really worth it if you're really strong, and you can have the skin. But for beginners, if you want to buy on how you should purchase your gems, I recommend you buying the common stuff, like this thing on just $5, or buying this US dollars, 9.99 US dollars. You can buy these if you're still a beginner though. I recommend you buying these both. And if you still have a crystal coffer event, you can recommend you buying these because this is really worth it, you know. And as I told you earlier, I just played it in just a few weeks, a few days, or a few weeks. Oh, I don't know. I just played that time, and look at my base. I'm really strong right now, and as you can see my heroes. Just by buying those, look at these. It's really awesome, and I know it's awesome. So I recommend you buy. I recommend you doing of what I just told you of how you should spend or purchase your gems. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like it, and I'm sorry for how I speak, but I hope you learned something. Even I don't know if you learned from how I talk. And thank you and goodbye.